today. My name is Lisa, and I love to dance. I love to dance at home, and I love to show my dances. I would love to dance with you. We will warm up our bodies and do a creative dance activity. Then later we will have a dance celebration. Now, what do you need? Well, you will need your dancing body, mind, and heart. You will need a pair of socks, and you will need one item of costume. Where are you? Do you have enough space to dance? Move away any furniture. Are you sitting or standing or maybe lying down? Are you happy and comfortable? Great. Let's begin. Say hello to your body. A warm hello so that your heart feels ready to dance. You can follow me, but find your own way of moving. Say hello to your fingers. Hello, fingers. How do you feel like moving today? Say hello to your hands. How do your hands feel like moving right now? Say hello, well done, to your wrist. Your wrists. How do your wrists feel like moving? Say hello to your elbows. Hello, elbows. How do you feel like moving today? Hello, shoulders. Hello, neck. Hello, top of my head. Hello, eyes. Hello, nose. Hello, mouth. Hello, chest. Hello, belly. Hello to your hips and your bottom. Hello, knees. And Hello, feet. Hello to my whole body. What parts of your body feel like moving and stretching? How do you want to dance? Good job, everybody. Good job. Pick up your socks. How do they feel against your skin? Do they have a sound? Do they have a smell? What color are your socks? Let's dance together. Try tapping. Scrubbing. Tickling. Try squeezing your socks and releasing. Squeezing your socks and your body and releasing. Squeezing and breathing in. Releasing and breathing out. Try balancing your socks on your body, anywhere on your body. Try balancing your socks somewhere different. Maybe my elbow. Try balancing and dancing. Can you show me balancing on different parts of your body? Yeah, great. Try hiding your socks in different parts of your body. Can you hide your socks in different parts of your body? Show me. Yeah, good job, everybody. Now it's time to celebrate. Put on your dancing costume piece. I'm going to call some friends and ask them to join our dancing celebration. Hello? Hello. Let's dance together. How does your body and your heart feel like dancing? Maybe try stretching, squeezing, balancing, and hiding. Let's go. Thank you so much for dancing with me. Bye. Bye. That was great fun. Thank you for dancing with me today. I would love to hear what your favorite part of the dance session was. I would love to see photographs of your costume piece. You can share these in the link below. If you would like your school to participate in the Creative Schools programme, applications are open until the 25th of June. Schools can find out more information at artscouncil.ie/creative-schools. Thank you for dancing with me. Continue to dance with your friends and families. Thank you. Bye. Bye.